Turn the big light on.
I'm sure it's not that bad. I think you should
Shit
consider
on the
that
clothes.
he
Yeah.
wants to keep you in his life, but can't do that with complete confidence without meeting you in person. If you are really serious about being friends with Tyler, or even more than that, this might be your last chance.
Are you set up for this?
Oh. Will you?
No, she don't. I can't remember.
Of course, but only to help.
Come on, Bella.
Got this.
Hold on.
Yes, I would love to meet both of you. It's only fair to Tyler.
You're cheating.
Right now. I'm at a friend's house in Attica.
She wants to sit up so bad.
Whoa, that's really close. Conveniently, she's not in Kazoo. It's just a lie. I get the sense that Amanda desperately needs this.
Oh, bless you.
Right. There's a lot at stake here, not just for him, but